Hi friends, today this is the final session for the output functions in Python. Okay, so we have already learned some of the things. Okay, what are the things that we have learned? Right, print with no arguments, print with a string as the argument, print with number of variables, concatenating the variables. Okay, using SCP attribute. Okay, and attribute. Okay, printing the object. Okay, and what you call using the formatted string. Okay, by using percentage I for integer. Okay, percentage D, percentage F, percentage S. Okay, for objects also you have to use the percentage S only. Okay, now the next is print. Print method with replacement operations. Okay, with replacement operator. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, so suppose that mm, name is one variable. I will give the value as okay. uh, Friend. Okay, and I will be taking another thing as class. Okay, but this class is a keyword, so directly I can't use class of study. COS is equal to 12. Okay, so they are the three variables which I have taken. Okay, if in the previous class, if I wanted to use the formatted string, so I wanted to print my name is Mohan, my friend is some Raghu, and my I study 12th. Okay, so to print that, what I have to do? Print I am here. That is a string. So percentage yes. Okay. Uh, then Raghu is my friend. I wanted to print like that. So percentage s again is my friend. We study 12th. Okay, so it is an integer. So percentage I or percentage D also you can use. So here after that, what percentage open and close brackets name. The first is name because I wanted to print I am Krishna. So Krishna is in name. So name comma friend because I wanted to print Satya is my friend. Raghu is my friend. So Raghu. So friend. Then it's COS. Okay. After that, the I is for COS. Okay. So this is what we learned in the previous class also. Okay. See here, like this is been printed. Now I don't want to use this one. I wanted to means use the replacement operator. Okay, so instead of using this, I can use flower brackets, open and close flower brackets. If you are using empty flower brackets, then the order is very important. Order, which order we are mentioning, in the same order it will be taken. Print, run it. Okay, what you got? We got the error message. Why? Because if you are using these flower brackets, there we have to use, you should not use percentage and all, because percentage, when you are using percentage s, percentage I, okay, but here what you have to use, dot format. Okay, here, see here. Okay, and this is the method of str. So this is a string. Okay, this whole thing is a string because it is in single quotes. So there is a method dot format. Okay, this is what is the method. Okay, in this we have to mention the variables. Okay, now run it. Okay, right. Okay, this is the better way. Okay, instead of using the percentage as percentage I and all those things. Okay, here the because we are not mentioning anything inside this flower brackets. Okay, so this, the order in which we have mentioned, in the same order it will be taken. Suppose if you are mentioning, suppose I will be copying it to show you the difference. Okay, if instead of writing this here, I have written COS first and then friend, what will happen? See here. Okay, instead of Raghu, it is being printed COS, that is the value of the COS. Okay, so the order is very important. Okay, um, okay, sir, well and good. I am commenting it. Right. Okay. Uh, the next thing is that okay, you can give the numbering also. Okay, how, sir? Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is the, what is the order, we are mentioning the order over here. Okay, see here, right, the same thing is been printed. Okay, suppose if I am giving 0 over here, what will happen? This name will be printed here also. See here. Okay, if you wanted to print any value multiple times in the same what you call a string, okay, then we have to we can give this type of means what you call, if it is an whatever index, if you can say the index, but you should not say the index, but it is what is the order. Can it take the negative value, sir? Suppose if I am saying -1, it will take, let's see here, key error. Okay, so from 0 only it will take. Okay, it will not take any negative value. It is like you predict it as an you take it as an index. Okay, so right, then okay, sir, then can you means give any values, or gives any value, any values also, sir? We can give the values also. Let's see. Instead of giving 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, like an index, we can give some okay, every time we are mentioning this order, no, I do not want to mention that order. Okay, so for that, what I have to give, I have to give some variables. Okay, A, some B, some variables, some names. Okay, some C. Okay, here I will be giving uh, A equal to B equal to, okay, C equal to, see, run it. Okay, I have mentioned, I have changed it. No, um, 1 second. See here. Okay, right, because here I have changed, my, okay, B, right, because this is here I have changed, that's why it has been printed. Okay, there is not an issue. Here I will change it. Okay, otherwise you will be getting confused. Okay, why it is like this? Okay, okay, right. So this is how we can give. In this way, if you are giving any variable names, okay, here if you are giving any names, then there is no need of maintaining the order. Okay, same order. Okay, because here we are mentioning the names. Okay, if you mention here a friend first, and if you give a variable to it, name to it, and that name to be mentioned over here. Okay, so if you are using this type of thing, then there is no need of maintaining the order. Okay, because you are giving some value, you are giving some, you are storing that object to another object. Okay, technically. Okay, this is what uh, we can be doing with the print methods. Okay, so what all the things we to have learned here is print with no arguments, print with the arguments as a string. Okay, print method, print function with some variables, using the SAP attribute, using the AND attribute. Okay, print with the object, how objects can be printed. Okay, then how formatted string percentage s, percentage d, percentage I. Okay, then we have seen the print with replacement operator. Okay, what is the replacement operator over here? Here, this one. Okay, this one, what you have learned, if you are not giving you are using a replacement operator, you have to use the method format. Okay, this is a str method. Okay, this belongs to the class str. Okay, uh, right, and uh, if you are mentioning any indexing, okay, then you have to mention 0 1 2 3. Okay, suppose that, okay, here there are only three values. If I am giving any um, 3 over here or 4 over here, okay, will it show any error message? Definitely. Okay, so index error. Okay, so to avoid these kind of things, what we have to do, we have to give some values, some uh, variable names, some names to the objects, and that name should be used inside the string. Okay, hope you understood the concept. Okay, thank you for now.